Organizing a potluck. A fun way to share meals. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and social way of sharing meals, organizing a potluck. This is a fantastic concept, especially for those who love food and community gatherings. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a potluck involves and how you can organize one successfully. So, let's get started and unravel the joy of potlucks together. A potluck is a communal gathering where each guest or participant brings a dish to share with others. The term, potluck, suggests that guests may bring any dish they like, making the meal a bit of a surprise, or a luck of the pot. This tradition is popular in many cultures and is a way to enjoy a variety of foods and flavors, all while socializing and getting to know each other better. The key point here is sharing. Everyone contributes to the feast, making it a collective dining experience. Organizing a potluck comes with several benefits. Diversity of food. Since everyone brings a different dish, you get to taste a variety of foods, which makes the meal exciting and diverse. Cost-effective. It's more economical as the cost of the entire meal is distributed among the participants. Community building. Potlucks foster a sense of community and togetherness. Sharing a meal that everyone has contributed to can create lasting bonds and friendships. Cultural exchange. They offer a unique opportunity to experience different cultures through food, as guests may bring dishes that reflect their cultural background. Organizing a potluck might seem daunting at first, but it's quite straightforward. Here are some steps to ensure your potluck is a hit. 1. Choose a venue. Decide where the potluck will be held. It could be at someone's home, a community hall, or a park for a picnic-style gathering. 2. Send invitations. Let your guests know the details. You can use social media, emails, or traditional invites. Be sure to mention it's a potluck and encourage them to bring a dish to share. 3. Plan the menu. To avoid ending up with too much of the same type of food, you might want to coordinate the dishes. A sign-up sheet or a group chat can help manage who brings what, covering appetizers, mains, sides, and desserts. 4. Preparation and setup. Ensure there's enough space for all the dishes and that you have essentials like plates, utensils, and napkins. Don't forget about serving utensils and labeling dishes, especially for guests with dietary restrictions. 5. Enjoy and share. The most important part of a potluck is to enjoy the company and the food. Encourage guests to share stories about their dishes, fostering an atmosphere of sharing and community. Organizing a potluck is more than just sharing food. It's about building community, enjoying diversity, and creating memorable experiences together. We hope this guide inspires you to host your own potluck and enjoy the wonderful array of dishes and conversations that will surely unfold. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to hear about your potluck adventures. Remember, the essence of a potluck lies in its spontaneity and the joy of sharing. So don't stress too much about making everything perfect. It's all about the community spirit and the shared love of food. Enjoy your potluck.